This is another video that we're going to do on the Canon TR8520, which is similar to TR7520 printer. So whenever you're having problems with paper missing or paper jams, there's few places to look into. So we have this printer over here. First, you're going to pull out this tray and make sure that there's nothing on the bottom that's for paper jams. So you're going to pull the tray out and you're going to make sure there's nothing here, nothing stuck in this area. And in this case, we don't see anything here. We go to the back of the printer. Or actually, second thing to do is to open the cover and make sure there's nothing here. Take a flashlight and put some light into the left and the right of the printer. My print head is out, so don't get confused about that. I'm just showing you where to look. So look in those areas and everything is fine there. Check out the area in the back. You're going to lift this rear tray, and on the back you have a cover, and there's also a duplex unit over here. Pull those out, make sure everything is good. If you're having a paper jam, check inside, put some light also in there, make sure everything is good. And if there's paper or a little piece of paper in there, take it out and you should be good with the paper jam. If you have a missing paper error where there's no paper being fed through, clean the rollers on here. If you've been using this printer for a few thousand pages, clean this roller, these here, make sure everything is good. But the very first thing that we need to do if the paper is not being picked up from the main tray is we'll need to clean the main pickup roller. Make sure you put everything back the way it was. So this just clips in. So you can just close the back tray. If paper is not being picked up, clean these rollers right here. Check to make sure everything works. But most likely just cleaning this roller with some window cleaner or alcohol should do the trick. So that's basically the areas of the paper issues. If you're having an automatic document feeder or ADF open, or paper not being fed, there's also rollers in there. This is the roller right here that needs to be cleaned. So that's pretty much basically it for any paper jams or paper feed issues on these printers. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you can find the problem and fix it. Cleaning rollers, if it's very accumulated with paper dust, is very good with some alcohol swab that I get at Walmart or any pharmacy, or you can just put alcohol on paper towel and clean it with that. A lot of times it's not recommended. I'm not even sure why. I've been working with printers and it works for me. It doesn't ruin the rubber, but that's usually the reason why they don't recommend it. So just use warm water or Windex if you're afraid to use alcohol. Good luck with that and have a wonderful day. Thanks.